Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine offers a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. If you frequently wash larger loads, the COSTWAY is the better choice, while the Mini is perfect for occasional use or smaller households. While the COSTWAY machine is designed for efficiency with its twin tub setup, it is bulkier and heavier at 29 pounds, making it less portable. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is lightweight at just 4.6 pounds and can be folded for easy storage, making it an excellent option for those with limited space or for travel. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine provides timer controls for customized wash cycles, allowing for greater flexibility in laundry care. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine features a simple timer with limited options, making it easier to use but less versatile. If you prefer more control over your wash settings, the COSTWAY is the way to go. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and Mini Portable Washing Machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is ideal for larger loads and offers more functionality, while the Mini is perfect for those who need a compact and portable solution for smaller items. We hope this comparison helped you decide which washing machine is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.